everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. In this video, we are covering the top 50 tree MCQs perfect for interviews, coding rounds, and quick revision. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. What is a tree in data structure? Options are linear structure, non-linear hierarchical structure, a type of array, and a collection of stacks. Option B is correct. Tree represent a hierarchy with parent-child relationship. What is the maximum number of children a node in a binary tree can have? Options are 2, 3, 4, and any number. Option A is correct. A binary tree node has at most 2 children, commonly referred to as the left and right child. What is the degree of a node? Options are depth, number of children, height, and level. Option B is correct. The degree of node refers to the number of children it has. How many edges does a full binary tree with n nodes have? Options are n-1, n, 2n-1, and 2n. Option A is correct. In a tree, including a full binary tree, the number of edges is always 1 less than the number of nodes, that is n-1. This is the fundamental property of trees. In a binary tree, what is the term for the node with no children? Options are root, leaf, parent, and sibling. Option B is correct. In a binary tree, a leaf is a node that does not have any children. Which traversal visit root before subtrees? Options are post order, in order, pre-order, and level order. Option C is correct. Pre-order visits root left, right. Which traversal method is typically used for creating a mirror image of a binary tree? Options are post order, in order, pre-order, and level order. Option A is correct. Post order traversal processes children before the parent, making it suitable for constructing mirror image of a binary tree. In order traversal of a binary search tree, the nodes are visited in options are random order, descending order, ascending order, and pre-order. Option C is correct. In order on binary search tree gives sorted order. What is the post order of this tree? Options are ABC, BCA, CBA, and ACB. Option B is correct. Post order is left, right, root. Which traversal is used in expression tree evaluation? Options are in order, pre-order, post order, and level order. Option C is correct. Post order is ideal for postfix evaluation. Which traversal is best for copying a tree? Options are pre-order, in order, level order, and post order. Option A is correct. Pre-order preserves structure during copy. Which traversal helps find the height of a binary tree? Options are in order, post order, pre-order, and level order. Option B is correct. Post order helps compute bottom up value like height. In a level order traversal of a binary tree, which data structure is commonly used? Options are stack, queue, array, and linked list. Option B is correct. Level order uses a queue. In a binary search tree, left child is options are greater than parent, equal to parent, smaller than parent, and random. Option C is correct. Left child has smaller value than parent in binary search tree. What is a complete binary tree? Options are every node has 2 children, all leaves are on the same level, all levels except last are full, root has 1 child. Option C is correct. A complete binary tree has all level full except the last. In a binary search tree, what is time complexity of search in average case? Options are order of n, order of log n, order of n log n, and 1. Option B is correct. Average case is order of log n for balanced binary search tree. In a binary search tree, what is the time complexity of finding min or max value? Options are order of 1, order of log n, order of n, and order of n log n. Option B is correct. On average, finding min or max requires traversing one branch. Which traversal is used with pre-order or reconstruct a binary tree? Options are in order, post order, level order, and none. Option A is correct. Pre-order plus in order uniquely construct a binary tree. Which is true for a binary tree? Options are maximum 3 children, maximum 2 children, unlimited children, and only one node. Option B is correct. Binary tree have at most 2 children per node. Which tree allows duplicate? Options are binary search tree, AVL tree, binary tree, and heap. Option C is correct. General binary tree allows duplicate. What is the height of a binary tree with a single node? Options are 0, 1, 2, and it depends on the tree balance. Option A is correct. Root only means height is 0. Which tree keeps balance after insertion or deletion? Options are binary search tree, AVL tree, binary tree, and expression tree. Option B is correct. AVL tree auto balances using rotations. What is the time complexity of inserting an element into an AVL tree in the worst case? Options are order of 1, order of log n, order of n, and order of n log n. Option B is correct. In the worst case, inserting into an AVL tree takes order of n log n time due to its balanced height. What type of tree is used in database for indexing? Options are B tree, AVL tree, red-black tree, and binary heap. Option A is correct. B tree are widely used in databases for indexing because they efficiently handle large block of data and keeps operation balanced. Which tree type ensures all levels are at the same depth? Options are complete binary tree, perfect binary tree, AVL tree, and heap. Option B is correct. A perfect binary tree has all leaves at the same level. Expression tree uses which tree structure? Options are heap, binary tree, B tree, and AVL tree. Option B is correct. Expression tree are usually binary tree. Which tree structure is used for Huffman codings? Options are binary tree, B tree, AVL, and trie. Option A is correct. Huffman's coding uses a special binary tree for compression, which is not an applications of trees. Options are syntax trees, routing algorithm, file system, and hashing. Option D is correct. Hashing doesn't use tree structure. What is the worst case time complexity for searching a squid binary search tree? Options are order of 1, order of n, order of log n, and order of n log n. Option B is correct. Squid tree becomes like a linked list. How many binary tree can be formed with 3 nodes? Options are 2, 3, 5, and 6. Option C is correct. For 3 nodes, Catner number is equals to 5 binary trees. How many leaf nodes are there in a full binary tree with 15 nodes? Options are 7, 8, 9, and 10. Option B is correct. In a full binary tree, the number of leaf nodes is calculated by this formula. Which structure is used in decision tree? Options are binary tree, ABL tree, graph, and queue. Option A is correct. Binary tree are used for decision making path. Which traversal is best for deleting a tree? Options are pre-order, in-order, post-order, and level order. Option C is correct. Post-order deletes children before the parent. Which tree stores keys in sorted order with balance? Options are AVL tree, heap, tries, and stack. Option A is correct. AVL tree is balanced binary search tree. Minimum number of nodes in a height h AVL tree. Options are 2 to the power h, Fibonacci h plus 2 minus 1, and h log h. Option C is correct. AVL node count grows with Fibonacci series. A tree where every level is full except possibly the last is called. Options are full tree, complete binary tree, balanced tree, and AVL tree. Option D is correct. Completeness means all level filled except last. Which is the height balanced binary tree? Options are heap, AVL tree, binary search tree, and binary tree. Option B is correct. AVL trees maintains height difference less than equal to 1. What is the root of a max heap? Options are minimum element, largest element, null, and random. Option B is correct. Max heap has the largest value at the root. What is the property of a max heap? Options are parent less than equal to children, parent greater than equal to children, root is smallest, and none. Option D is correct. In a max heap, every parent node has a value greater than or equal to its children. Tree node with one child is called. Options are full, leaf, unary, and internal. Option C is correct. Unary node has one child. A full binary tree has. Options are only root, all nodes have 0 or 2 children, all nodes are leaf, and one child each. Option D is correct. Full binary tree strictly follows 0 or 2 child node. In a balanced tree, the left and right side can differ in height by at most. Options are 2, 1, 0, and any amount. Option B is correct. A balanced tree keeps the height difference to 1 or less. What is the balance factor in an ABL tree? Options are height left minus height right minus height left, height of tree, and number of nodes. Option A is correct. Balance factor is left height minus right height kept between -1 and 1. What is the depth of the root node? Options are 0, 1, -1, and n. Option A is correct. Root is at depth 0. Binary tree with n leaf node has how many internal nodes? Options are n, n-1, log n, and 2n. Option B is correct. At minimum, internal nodes is equals to leaf node minus 1. In a binary tree, the number of null pointer is. Options are n, n plus 1, n minus 1, and n plus 1 for n nodes. Option D is correct. A binary tree with n nodes has n plus 1 null pointers representing missing children. Which tree is best for implementing priority queue? Options are binary search tree, AVL tree, heap, and trie. Option C is correct. Priority queue uses heap. Can a binary tree have only one child per node? Options are no, yes, only in AVL, and only in heap. Option B is correct. Binary tree allows 0, 1 or 2 children. Which traversal is used in BFS algorithm? Options are label order, pre-order, post-order and in-order. Option A is correct. Final challenge. Only one person get this right. If a binary tree has 10 leaf node, what is the minimum number of total node it can have? Options are 11, 15, 19 and 20. Comment your answer below. Thanks for watching. Comment your score below and in the next section we will cover the MCQs on graph. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then keep learning and keep exploring.